Cumudul dah keselam. Kan long kemno serai. Kau gangam lut barok sepok kendau.
Lo ayap tu meh. Memtip Elekshon ya.
Iding buon pak cakasnya mah. Atrai di pentip naik kibriyo sasar. Kibriyo le mentah ki thiet taman yok lom centiam.
Ki khubor ka bate si TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka BJP kelada Pynïakhun Ngut Kyrtong ke Pynïakhun yak Elekshon syaka Garo Hills atan Masa District Council ke Bansa Longshan hau bena yayong minta usnam arhajar arpun rio. Udah exchange jang BJP Meghalaya State Unit uba M Kharkarang hakijnya keren kelar petai kubor ula pentip bagi BJP kelap Pynbna ke thop kerteng ke beningkong janggi ke Ngut Kyrtong na ke benta ke election berulu angru bagi parti ke temuan Pynïakhun habaro arpun li ke constituency namal bagaran ke jengkereman ke bas camp bagan le abha hakane ke election.
So we are looking for maybe 26 candidate, but now already declared of 19 seats. And we are hopeful that we will be able to do well for this upcoming district council election of Garo district.
What about the by-election of your MP?
Are you, I'm not done with this, are you putting up candidate in all the 29 seats?
We are trying to get more than all the 29 seats, but so far we have already got the applicants for 29 seats. 19 seats.
Okay, so this is the first list.
This is the first list, yeah.
But Sachin, the thing is, district council, Garo, I think you should ask the questions to them. Because earlier they were allowed, but now because of this notification that has come up. So right now from the party side, we have not decided anything on this, whether we should support it or not. Because this notification has just come out. So I think this is too early for us to comment anything on this.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. Why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.
Skoda.